Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a Southern classic flavor in a low-carb package, my Pecan Praline bar recipe. With only 1 net carb per serving, this simple and easy recipe has all the sweetness and nutty flavor to satisfy anyone's sweet tooth craving. Let's get started. We'll start with the crust. Add some almond flour to a food processor, a sugar substitute equal to 1/4 cup of regular sugar, and just a bit of salt. Give a short pulse to combine. Now add some very cold diced unsalted butter and give a few pulses to chop and combine the butter into the mix. Line a 9x9 baking pan with parchment paper and pour the crust mixture into the bottom. Press down to evenly distribute and pack tight. Place in the middle of a preheated 325-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges begin to brown. Remove and let cool as we work on our topping. To a saucepot on medium heat, add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, add some brown sugar substitute, and just a pinch of salt. Give a stir with a whisk until the butter has melted. Let come to a boil and then stir and remove from the heat. And lastly, we'll stir in some vanilla extract. Add some chopped pecans to the top of the crust. Pour over our praline mixture, distributing as evenly as possible. Place back in the oven and bake for an additional 15 minutes. Remove and let cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the pan and let cool an additional 15 minutes. With a sharp knife, divide equally into 16 squares. Enjoy this warm or store in the refrigerator for a nice sweet dessert whenever you're ready. There you have it, folks, my Pecan Praline bar recipe. All the flavor of a sweet southern praline in a low-carb, easy-to-make dessert. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.